Assalamu alaikum students. Today our topic is the natural resources. Today we are discussing about the natural resources that are present in our planet. First of all, natural resources. Natural resources are the material that found on the earth that are used to meet the people need and to support the life. That all other resources are already present on our planet, and they also help in the people needs and support their life. Next, we are discussing about the types of the natural resources. There are a lot of the natural resources present in our planet. That first of all, that is the water resources. Water resources are the major natural resource that is present on our planet, and this resource is very essential for the any living organism. First that and the second one, that is the forest resources. Forest resource is the resource that provide us the oxygen. If we are discussing about the Amazon forest is known as the lung of the earth, because they consume the high carbon dioxide and give the oxygen, and the forest also provide the habitat to the living organisms, and they protect the biodiversity, and they also give the wood as a fuel. And the next one, that is the animal resources. There are the different species of the animal that are present on the planet, that some are we are used as a food, and some we are used for the other purposes, and they are the natural resource, and that they also some species of the animals become extinct or in the endangered species list. We must to also conserve the animal resources. And the next is the solar power. Solar energy is the energy that is present on our planet, that is the first energy consumed by the plants to produce their own food. That all the plants are known as the producer, and they produce their energy and their food with the help of sunlight. Without the sunlight, the plant cannot survive, and we also depend upon the plants. And the natural resource that is the solar energy, and they are also used by the solar power to generate the energy. And the next one, that is the wind power. If we are discussing about the wind power, then the wind power is the natural resource that is present in our planet. By using of this wind power, we generate the energy to overcome our energy needs. The next one, that is the precious metal, minerals and the rocks. There are the precious metals present on our planet, that is the natural resource of the every country. There are the different mines present in the different countries. If we are discussing about the metals, that are the gold, and their mines are present in different countries. And if we are discussing about the minerals and the rocks, and there the salt mine, that is the Kevra, present in the Pakistan. And if we are discussing about the metals, that is the first of all, that is the gold. It's the most expensive metal, and that mine is also present in the Pakistan, that is known as the Rikudik mine, and that is located in the Balochistan, that is the province of Pakistan. And there are many other resources, and the rocks and the metals that are coal, that all are the present in the Pakistan, and that is the natural resources of Pakistan. And they also present in the different countries, and they are their natural resources. And next is the crude oil. If we are discussing about the crude oil, that is also present in large quantity in the Arab Amarat and different countries of Arab, they having the crude oil, and their economy are also depend upon the crude oil, and their refining, and they are utilizing and they are rely on these crude oil, and they stable their economy. And then next is the natural gas. Natural gas is the that natural resource that is present in different countries, like natural gas that is present in Pakistan on the place of Sui, that is known as the Sui northern gas, that are used in all over the Pakistan, and that is source of energy. And next is the land resources. If we are discussing about the land resources, every country have their own land, and their land having some land they are the agricultural land, and some land that they are used for the construction purpose, and there are different mountains and the rangelands, they are different, that all are the resources, they are natural. These all are the type of the natural resources. And there are if we are discussing about the Pakistan, and the Pakistan is blessed with all of these type of the natural resources. uh, the next one, that is the man-made versus the natural. Man-made resources are the resources made by the people, like they're all are the artificial things, like a plastic, glass, that they all are the man-made. And if you're discussing about the natural resources from the nature and the environment, that all are present naturally in our environment for the human use. Next, we are discussing about the organic resource. Organic means that they are the natural, and they are made from the living things, and these are the nutrients that derive from the living matter. Organic resources that having the living matter, they all are derived from they having the nutrients, and they derive from the living organisms, when we are discussing about the organic farming, and then we are discussing about the biofertilizer and the biopesticide, that all are from the organic source, and that they are used, and they all are products that they having the organic resources, that they all are the eco-friendly, and they cannot harm our planet. Next, we are discussing about the inorganic resources, that they all are the nutrients that they are found in the mineral other than non-living substance, that all are known as the inorganic resources, that they come from the living organism, they are known as the organic, and if they are come from the non-living organism, then they are the known as inorganic resources. Next, we are discussing about the renewable resources, that are the resources that they are renewable, that these resources are naturally present, like animals, energy from the solar or other renewable resources, that they are resources that they cannot be finished, either the our planet, they are present in our planet from the beginning to end. Next, we are discussing about the non-renewable resources. These all are the resources that are the present in our planet, and they cannot be renewable. They become finished after some time, after the long time of after using these products and their resources, they become finished. Non-renewable sources are the resources that do not naturally replenish, and their supply is the limited. That their supply is the limited, like oils and the coals, that they are present in some specific area, but after some time the excessive use of the oil and the coal, they become finished. Next, we are discussing about the environmental effect. They're having the unsustainable use of the natural resources depletes the material, and then they cause a problem like a pollution and the destruction of the ecosystem. When we are using our natural resources day by day, their increase of their use, and use of the lot of the coal and the resources, and then they cause the pollution, and then they also cause like smoke, air pollution, and they destruction of the ecosystem. That they having the environmental effect of the resources if we are not use these resources wisely. Next, why does it matter? We must do our parts to use resources wisely to help keep earth healthy. If we are saying that we having the resources, that they having the renewable or non-renewable sources, if we are using these resources wisely, then they help to keep our earth healthy, to avoid the pollution, to avoid the our planet health, and become the healthy planet, and give better environment for our future generation. And thank you so much for your listening. Keep watching, and Allah Hafiz.